Hello, welcome to this set of videos on linear equations in one variable. With Click and Learn, we use digital interactive multimedia education. We create videos that explain step by step mathematical concepts and principles for CSEC mathematics. They're available on CDs, flash drives, and for download from our website. Now the telephone numbers here have changed, and you'll get the updated telephone numbers and website address at the beginning of this application. Now the thing to note is mathematics is made visual through hundreds of video tutorials like the one you'll be seeing in this application, and hundreds of interactive quizzes on the topic. So you learn math, and math sticks. You learn math in less than 10 minutes a day and be able to get top grades. Now in this set of videos I'll be introducing you to solve linear equations in one variable by simplifying and combining terms. In the early set of videos you learned about linear expressions. When we set two linear expressions equal to each other, we create a linear equation. Now a linear equation is a statement that puts two linear expressions equal to each other. So when you have two linear expressions equal to each other, it's called a linear equation. Now I'll show you by example. Here you have a problem. A salesperson gets a base salary of $300 per week plus $20 for each item they sell. They sell X items in 1 week. The salesperson also spends $40 a week on travel expenses. Now you can pause the video here and express this word problem in the form of a linear expression, or put it in mathematical form. In other words, write an expression that represents the total amount made in 1 week. Pause the video, write an expression that represents the total amount made in 1 week. Given this information, a salesperson gets a base salary of $300 per week. That's a given, $300 per week, plus $20 for each item sold. They sell X items in 1 week. The salesperson also spends $40 a week. So we can represent the $300 per week in this way. We can write the expression that represents this information this way. $300 a week, $300 a week, plus he gets $20 for each item they sell. Let X be the number of items sold, so it's 20 times X. And the salesperson also spends $40 a week. $40, so it's minus 40. So there we have a written expression representing the information given there. Now if we know that the salesperson made $860 a week last week, we can set these two expressions equal to each other to create a linear equation. If the person made $860 last week, we can rewrite or create this expression We can then solve this equation to determine how many items the salesperson sold last week. When this equation is solved, the solution is x is equal to 30. You can pause the video and do that right away. You subtract 300 from 860 is 560. You add 560. You add 40 to 560. That's 600. You have, and you divide 600 by 20, and you get x equal to 30. So it's important to note that when you create an equation, the two expressions on either side of the equation, either side of the equal sign, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So a solution to an equation is a number that makes the equation true when substituted for the variable. Remember that a solution to the equation is a number that makes the equation true when substituted for the variable in that equation for x. If you substitute x in, if you substitute 30 in this equation here, you'll find that the left-hand side will be equal to the right-hand side. So that's a solution. Now, in the following videos, we'll look at some more solving linear equations with one variable. Remember, they're available on flash drives and on CD and for download.